pies, no me culpes, porque ahora...
Alberto Corona, the victim's son, right? Omar Gonzalez. I know you're going through a difficult moment, but we need to ask you some questions.
What did you do wrong? What happened?
I don't know what happened, boss. The man was armed and that wasn't reported. Look what he did to me.
Please, stop talking about Dad in the past tense because he's still alive. And he's going to be okay.
Who would want to do something like this? And why?
The patient is in the operating room. We are going to try to extract the bullets and stabilize him.
But
it's too soon to give you a diagnosis.
What mess did you get us into now? No, you know what? I don't care. From now on, you are on your own.
And you failed!
Boss, I shot him 5 times, boss. Him being alive, it's a miracle.
And who's the hitman?
No me juzgues.